City life must suck big time. All dressed up with your pink martinis, bitching about your life. You need to head out to the boondocks, 'cause out here we have a good time all day long. And we don't wait till 5 to put on a smile, 'cause our watering holes have fishing poles at the break of dawn. And your afternoons are cutting loose, getting your buzz on. Our nights are laughing, grinning, whiskey sipping, and we're shooting without the sound. 'Cause out here every hour is happy hour. You must be out of your mind, working all the time, punching that clock or a piece of shit boss. Need to go and get yourself a life and get on out of that fancy bar and ditch that foreign car. 'Cause this life ain't worth living unless you're living it right. Where the watering holes have fishing poles at the break of dawn, and the afternoons are cutting loose, getting your buzz on.